How to add someone to Find My iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you add someone to find your iPhone. So let's get started. First, as you have to just open Find My app on your iPhone. After you open that app, you'll get this kind of interface. From here, at the bottom left, tap on People. After you are in this section, tap on the option Start Sharing Location. And from here, you'll have to just choose the contact to whom you want to send the invitation for finding your iPhone. Simply choose any contact from here. After you choose any contact, tap on the send icon at the top right. And from here, you'll have to just select the sharing type as for your iPhone, like share for 1 day until the end of day or share indefinitely. After you select one, tap on send. After you send an invitation to that person on message, they will have to just accept the invitation, and after they will accept the invitation, you will be able to add that people to find your iPhone. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more iPhone tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.